So I work with student resources, especially with basic needs. I actually used to do that here at Anoka Tech as a student, and I actually triple majored. So I did 3 different IT degrees. My primary one though was business data and analytics, and I also did software engineering and programming as well for web design. My mom, who's also first generation, but she actually started school a little bit before I did. And she actually was like, this is such a fantastic school. I felt very supported. She was of course non-traditional, same as I was at the time. And so being at technical school, we were able to actually learn and transfer a lot of what you're learning in a book to practicality was something that I highly desired and really needed. Anoka Tech honestly was one of the best decisions I had. Being in a smaller classroom, being able to know my teachers much more closely, getting to know my classmates, and especially being involved in extracurricular activities was honestly one of the best perks of being in a small community college, and especially with technical colleges, having that hands-on training was amazing.